Hello everybody, today the topic of my presentation is about J.K. Rowling. Let's see about the first topic, biography of J.K. Rowling. Joanne Kathleen Rowling was born in 31 July 1965 in Gloucester, England, and she is author, philanthropist, film producer, television producer, screenwriter, and best known for writing the Harry Potter fantasy series, which has won multiple awards, and also writes crime fiction under the pen name Robert Galbraith. Let's move on to the next topic about education of J.K. Rowling. As a child, Rowling attended St. Michael's Primary School. She attended secondary school at Wyden School and College. Rowling earned a BA in France and Classics at the University of Exeter. After a few years of studying in Paris, Rowling graduated from Exeter in 1986. Let's move on to the next topic, awards and honors. Rowling has received honorary degrees from the University of St. Andrews, the University of Edinburgh, University of Exeter, Harvard University, etc. And she received many awards from the year 1997 to 2021. Some of the awards are: in 2012, Rowling was among the British cultural icons selected by artist Sir Peter Black to appear in a new version of his most famous artwork, The Beatles, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band album cover to celebrate the British cultural fields of his life. In 2017, member of the Order of Companions of Honor at the 2017 birthday honors for service to literature and philanthropy. In 2018, Tony Award for Best Play for Harry Potter and the Cursed Child as part of the theme of the Harry Potter theatrical productions. In 2019, first match of March 2019, the women of the United States Women National Soccer team each wore a jersey with the name of a woman they were honoring on the Black Rose label chose the name of the Rowling. In 2021, British Book Awards Crime and Thriller Award winner for Troubled Blood. Let's move on to the next topic. Rowling wrote a short essay. In 1998, Rowling wrote a short essay about her time studying classics titled What Was the Name of the Nymph Again? Or Greek and Roman Studies Recalled. It was published by the University of Exeter's journal Pegasus. Let's move on to the next topic about Harry Potter books. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone 1997. Harry Potter and the Chambers of Secrets 1998. Harry Potter and the Prisoners of Azkaban 1999. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire 2000. Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix 2003. Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince 2005. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows 2007. And finally, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child 2016. Let's see about the first book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. In 1995, Rowling finished her manuscript for Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, which was typed on an old manual typewriter. The short summary of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Adaptation of the first J.K. Rowling popular children's novels about Harry Potter, a boy who learns on his 11th birthday that he is the orphan son of two powerful wizards and possesses unique magical powers of his own. He is summoned from his life as an unwanted child to become a student at Hogwarts and in English boarding school for wizards. There he meets several friends who become his closest allies and help him discover the truth about his parents' mysterious death. Let's move on to the next book, Harry Potter and the Chambers of Secrets. Harry Potter and the Chambers of Secrets was published in July 1998 and J.K. Rowling was the Smarties Prize. The summary of the Harry Potter and the Chambers of Secrets. Harry enters the Chambers of Secrets and encounters Ginny, Body and Riddle. Tom turns out to be a younger version of Voldemort who has been enhancing Ginny through his journal. The hat produces a sword which Harry uses to kill the giant snake. Harry sticks a basilisk fang through a diary, destroying Tom. Let's move on to the next book, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, and almost equaling the number of Prisoner of Azkaban sold during its first year. The summary of Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Harry Potter's Daniel Radcliffe, third year at Hogwarts, starts off badly when he learns deranged killer Sirius Black, Gary Oldman, escaped from Azkaban prison and is bent on murdering the teenage wizard, while Hermione's Emma Watson cat torments Ron's Rupert Grint, sickly rat, causing a rift among the trio. A swarm of nasty dementors is sent to protect the school from Black. A mysterious new teacher helps Harry learn to defend himself, but what is his secret tied to Sirius Black? Let's move on to the next book, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. The fourth book, Harry Potter and the Goblets of Fire, was released simultaneously in UK and US on 8 July 2000. The summary of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. The fourth movie in the Harry Potter franchise sees Harry, Daniel Radcliffe, returning for his fourth year at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry along with his friends Ron, Rupert Grint and Emma Watson. There is an upcoming tournament between the three major schools of magic with one participant selected from each school by the Goblet of Fire. When Harry's name is drawn, even though he is not eligible and is a fourth player, he must complete in the dangerous contest. Let's move on to the next book about Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. A wait of 3 years occurred between the release of Goblet of Fire and the fifth Harry Potter novel, Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. This gap led to press speculation that Rowling had developed writer's block speculation and later denied. The summary of the Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. Now in his fifth year at the Hogwarts, Harry Daniel Radcliffe learns that many in the wizarding community do not know the truth of his encounter with Lord Voldemort. Cornelius Fudge, Minister of Magic, appoints his tutor, Dolores Umbridge, as defense against the dark arts teacher, for he fears that Professor Dumbledore will take his job. But her teaching is deficient and her methods are cruel. So Harry prepares a group of students to defend the school against a rising tide of evil. Let's move on to the next book about Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. The sixth book, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, was released on 16 July 2005. It too broke all sales recordings, selling 9 million copies in its first 24 hours of release. In 2006, Half-Blood Prince received the Book of the Year prize at the British Book Awards. The summary of the Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. As Death Eaters wreak havoc in both Muggle and Wizard worlds, Hogwarts is no longer a safe haven for students. Though Harry, Daniel Radcliffe suspects there are new dangers lurking within the castle walls, Dumbledore is more intent than ever on preparing the young wizard for the final battle with Voldemort. Meanwhile, teenage hormones run rampant through Hogwarts, presenting a different sort of danger. Love may be in the air, but tragedy looms and Hogwarts may never be the same again. Let's move on to the final book, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. The title of the seventh and the final Harry Potter book was announced on 21 December 2006 as Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. In February 2007, it was reported that Rowling wrote on a bust in her hotel room at the Balmoral Hotel in Edinburgh that she had finished the seventh book in that room on 11 January 2007. The summary of the Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. Without the guidance and the protection of their Professor Harry, Daniel Radcliffe, Ron, Rupert Grint and Hermione Emma Watson begin a mission to destroy the Horcruxes, the sources of Voldemort's immortality. Though they must rely on one another more than ever, dark forces threaten to tear them apart. Voldemort's Death Eaters have seized control of the Ministry of Magic and Hogwarts, and they are searching for Harry even as he and his friends prepare for the ultimate showdown. Things we lost have a way of coming back to us in the end, if not always in the way we expect. Written by J.K. Rowling. Thank you all for listening my presentation.